In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Steam tool purchase error that is happening for many users right now when they're trying to purchase any kind of game from the Steam. Most of users getting an error code, and if you're facing this error, this is what you have to do. First of all, what you need to do is you can minimize the Steam, and the first and foremost step is all about before proceeding to that, make sure that you create a backup. You must back up your achievements or else you'll be losing them all. So what you need to do is you have to go over here, get into Steam Achievement Manager, which is widely known as SAN over here. Once you get into this, you have to go over here. This is widely known as SAN. So from here, you have to back up your achievements. Once you create a backup, what you need to do is you have to minimize this, right? Once after the backup is created, even though if you lose something, you don't have to worry. What you need to do is go over here in the File Explorer, go to this PC, expand this, go to local disk C. From here, go to the program file x86. From here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the Steam folder. From here, we have to find app cache. Now from here, there are two files here. That one is called app info and another one is called package info. So what you need to do is you have to select these two files, go for delete. Once you delete these two files, what you need to do is you have to just go over here in the Steam. We need to do a restart on the Steam. So you have to click over here at the top. There is an option called exit. Just go for exit. So the Steam will be shutting down. Then you have to go over here. Then you have to open this Steam. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. And you have to check with the game. Like whatever the game you are trying to purchase, most probably they should be solved. But still, if you're having the trouble, go over here at the top, click on the Steam, go to the settings. Now from here, we have to go to the downloads, scroll it down and navigate to clear download cache. Click on this and you have to clear the cache. Once done, when you clear the cache on your Steam, it will be automatically automatically restart your Steam. Then you can try purchasing any game and most probably that's gonna help. Still, if there is an issue, then you need to wait for an update from the Steam tool. Just wait for this. So these are the steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.